Hi, this is Emily from Waterless Toilet Shop. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about split system composting toilets. Split systems are a type of composting toilets that come with a porcelain toilet and an external composting unit. The two are always connected into each other with a vertically straight waste chute, which may look like this, but it can also be a longer one or cut shorter depending on your structure. So when you're using a split system composting toilet like this, all waste simply fall through the toilet and the floor level into the composting unit under it. The composting units always separate the liquids from solid waste, which is really essential in keeping the waterless toilet odor-free and pleasant to use at all times. One of the biggest advantages of having a split system is that the composting units generally have much greater capacity or volume for solid wastes, which again means that the toilet has to be serviced a lot less often or emptied. With split systems, we're always talking about months, in certain cases even years, how often the service process has to be done. In addition, a lot of people appreciate the design and the looks of the porcelain toilet because it feels very much like a traditional flush toilet, except that it's not flushed. The only downside of a split system is that they require certain amount of space below your structure. We're talking about at least 13 inches. Different models require a different amount of space, so have a look at the exact measures online. With that said, it really doesn't matter how high up the toilet sits if you have a two-story structure or you're building, let's say, for example, a tree house. I have seen drops longer than 10 feet. So as long as you have the drop vertically straight so that waste directly drops into the composting unit, you should be good. At Waterless Toilet Shop, we've got plenty of different composting unit options and pedestal options. Go online. We have systems for part-time occasional use as well as for full-time family use, even up to public and commercial use.